Hey, it's Patrick Voss at the TransWorld Halloween and Attraction Show. We've got some new products. We've got, of course, our crate creatures. These are all little puppets to carry around and entertain. And maybe there's a scary one or two. We've got Jack-in-the-Boxes. We've got the baby blocks with a zombie baby that shoots out. This is one of our new ones over here. Alira, the Vampire Bride, new alien puppets. Say hi. This is Flo. She's not feeling well. So these are all puppets. All of these guys were sculpted by Jordu Shell, designed and sculpted by Kent Kidwell. A big hit. Everybody loves it. This is JD the Clown. This is Dangles. He's got an eyeball that sometimes dangles. This is Boggles. He's also got the bungee brain, so his brain can fall out. That's it for today. Thank you.